Making intelligent and informed decisions is a crucial part of living a successful and fulfilling life. Every day, we are faced with a multitude of choices, ranging from small, mundane decisions to life-changing ones. Therefore, it is essential to develop the skills necessary to make smart and thoughtful decisions. In this article, we will explore some strategies for making intelligent and informed decisions in all areas of your life. The first step in making smart decisions is to gather information. Before making any decision, it is important to take the time to research and gather as much information as possible. This may involve conducting research online, speaking with experts, or seeking advice from trusted friends and family members. By gathering information, you can make a more informed and thoughtful decision. The next step is to consider your options. Once you have gathered information, take the time to carefully consider your options. Make a list of the pros and cons of each option and consider how each choice aligns with your values and goals. It can also be helpful to consider the potential consequences of each decision and how they may impact your life in the short and long term. After considering your options, it is important to trust your instincts. While it is important to gather information and consider your options, ultimately, you must trust your own judgment and intuition. If something feels off or wrong about a particular option, it is important to listen to your instincts and consider an alternative course of action. Another key strategy for making intelligent decisions is to seek the advice of others. Seeking the advice of trusted friends, colleagues, or family members can provide valuable insights and perspectives that you may not have considered. This can help you make a more informed decision and ensure that you have considered all angles. Finally, it is important to be willing to take risks. Making intelligent decisions often involves taking calculated risks and stepping outside of your comfort zone. While it can be tempting to stick with what is familiar and safe, taking risks can lead to new opportunities and growth. In addition to the strategies mentioned above, there are several other key factors to consider when making intelligent decisions. One of these factors is to remain objective and avoid biases. It is natural to have personal biases and preferences, but it is important to recognize and acknowledge them when making decisions. Try to approach each decision with an open mind and consider all options objectively. Another important factor is to consider the impact of your decision on others. Often, our decisions can have a ripple effect on those around us. Take the time to consider how your decision may impact others, and try to make choices that are fair and ethical. It is also important to be adaptable and flexible when making decisions. Life is unpredictable, and sometimes our decisions may not turn out as we planned. Be open to adjusting your course of action if